We're having a tangent here. TA is a tangent. This is a tangent. OT is 12 centimeters. Find the length of AT. So we need to find the length of the tangent from this point to that point. Now to find the length of the tangent, AT is still going to be the same as we've been doing it before. To find the length of AT, we know that this is a right angle triangle. And we know that right angle triangle here, it is 90 degrees. And let's rewrite drawing this. If this is our right angle triangle, in this right angle triangle, this is our value of A, which is that. Then T is here. Then O is right here. This here is 6 centimeters. Here it is 12 centimeters. And they want us to find the value of AT. Now to find the value of AT, we shall use Pythagoras theorem, which is 8t squared plus 6 squared is equal to 12 squared. So it means that our value of 8t squared is going to be equal to 12 squared minus 6 squared. And we shall end up getting our value of 8t being equal to the square root of 144 minus 36. And when we compute that, we shall end up with our value of 8t giving us 10.4 centimeters. Our next question is asking us to get the angle AOT. AOT. They want us to find that value. Let's name it theta. So if you're to transfer that to our little diagram here, they want us AOT, they want us to get the value of theta. Now for us to be able to find the value of theta, we are going to use trigonometry. And in this case, we shall be finding the cosine of that angle theta. So the cosine of this angle theta, cosine of our angle theta is going to be equal to the adjacent, which is 6 centimeters, over the hypotenuse, which is 12 centimeters. And of course, cosine of theta is equal to a half. To find the inverse, the cos inverse of this theta, of this half, we are going to get the value of theta as 60 degrees. And so that is the answer to that part. Then Roman 3, they're asking us to find the area of the shaded region. This is the area, the shaded region they are talking about. To find the area of this shaded part, therefore, let's look for first get the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle, we all know that area of a triangle is a half times base times height. And the area of this is going to be a half times the base. Now this is the triangle. The base can be one of these two, as long as these two lines that are meeting at 90 degrees. So let's take our base to be 6 centimeters. So it's going to be a half times base, which is 6 centimeters, times the height. This will be our perpendicular height, which we already got as 10.4 centimeters. So our answer there will be 31.2 centimeters squared. So this is going to be, this is the area of the whole triangle. Now we find the area of this sector, the unshaded part. So the area of this sector is going to be, now this value of theta we got, remember, we got this value of theta as 60 degrees. So the area is going to be 60 over 360 degrees times the area of the circle, so which is pi r squared. So that's going to be 6 over 36 times 22 over 7 times the radius, which is 6 times 6r squared. So we find that the area of this sector is going to be 18.85. centimeters squared. Now the question requires us to find the area of the shaded part. So it means we are going to get the area of the whole thing, which is 31.2 centimeters squared. Subtract the area of the unshaded region, which is 18.85. So when you get 31.2 centimeters squared minus 18.85 centimeters squared, the area of the shaded part is going to be 12.3 0.34 centimeters squared, and that will be our answer. So you may as well also try out this number. You may try it out and see what answers you get. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. For more videos, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and I also encourage you to share on other platforms. I hope you watch the next video. For Kisembo Academy, this is Arnold Ranga Kuramya.